creating content that actually matter, and you don't know how to go about this, well, I think you just might have come to the right place. What do you think? Hey there, aspiring YouTubers. Are you thinking of diving into the exciting world of YouTube and creating content that actually matter, and you don't know how to go about this? Well, I think you just might have come to the right place. What do you think? So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. And for those viewing my channel for the first time, my name is Mercy Enujeko, and today I will be giving tips on how to open a successful YouTube channel. So stay tuned and let's do this. Well, YouTube has been a crazy place for me because it's this platform where there's a lot to do. There's a lot to do. There are different kind of ideas, different suggestions. Everybody just saying their own. Do you get? So when you come, you hear this one, and you want to like put everything together and you just end up confusing yourself. Well, here's just a simple step on how to create a successful YouTube channel. It hasn't been easy, but then I've always been this video, picture, camera, phone person. So I've always loved being in front of the camera. I've always loved talking to the camera. So I think I think YouTube is for me. So yeah. So it doesn't even matter whether you like talking to the camera or not. You can still succeed on YouTube. So here are a few tips on how you can create an amazing and working YouTube channel. So number one, I know you might have heard this before, but just take it from me. Find your niche. Find where you know you excel in. Find a niche where you know you're passionate about. Something you know you can always have something to talk about. Something you know. Find a niche where you know that no matter where you are and when you find yourself, when you're asked a question on this particular aspect, you'll be able to say something reasonable about it. Do you get? Find a niche that you're passionate about and you're enthusiastic about. So that's number one. Find your niche. Find a niche that works for you. It's not just about finding your niche, but then finding your niche and being consistent will actually help you. Number two, planning your content. Okay. So I know a lot of us, like me, we just started YouTube and we don't plan nothing. We just enter YouTube. Everybody wants to be monetized. Everybody wants to make money on YouTube, but they don't want to do the work. There's a whole lot of work being a creator. And for you to be relevant in this creator field, you have to plan, you have to research, you have to work on yourself, you have to learn new skills. So number two is planning. Plan out your content, plan out what you want to do, plan out what you want to say. Create a calendar that works for you, a calendar that will help you post, that will help you create better, that will help you make things, work well. So number one is finding your niche, what you're passionate about, what you can always say something about, something you can do effortlessly. Number two is planning. Plan your content. So you don't just post this week, next week you post anything. Let there be like a sequence to what you're posting. Plan your content. Number three, setting up your channel. So these are number one and two are things you have to do before you set up your channel. Finding your niche, planning the content you would like to post before you actually go into YouTube completely. Setting up your channel is a whole lot because you found your niche, you've planned your content. While planning your content, you have to have your channel name, what you want your channel to look like, how you want people to see your channel. So when you're planning your content and all that has to be in mind. Because number three, when you're finally setting up your channel, that will help you know how you create your channel banner. That's the first thing people see when they come to your channel. your channel banner, your profile picture, your bio, what your page is all about. You're supposed to make it simple and easy. Like when you see, create a bio that when people see it, they already know what your channel is about. You don't need to talk much. Create a bio that when people just read the first line, they know what your channel is about. Don't confuse people with too much English. Create a simple but really self-explanatory bio. Yeah, simple but really self-explanatory bio. So about that, you create your channel banner, your name, your bio, your profile picture. Then I know most people like me, before I really started posting on YouTube, I started with an introductory video. So you could do that also, but you don't have to do it the normal way that everybody has been doing their YouTube introductory video, because the introductory videos are usually like the hardest to make, but then it helps. So number one, find your niche. Number two, plan your content. Number three is setting up your channel. So number four is creating high quality videos. So this will actually help your channel go out there. Creating good quality videos helps, just helps your channel. Yeah. So I usually create with my normal camera, my iPhone 12 camera. That is what I'm actually creating with at the moment. Just my camera, my phone camera, let me be specific. So I'm creating with my iPhone 12 camera, and I'm using the back camera just so I can get the best quality. The front camera is okay too, but then I'm using the back camera to get the best quality. So creating high quality videos, setting up your channel, creating high quality videos, setting up your channel, planning your content, and finding your niche. So five is optimize for discovery. Yes. So I didn't really know what optimization of videos meant until I opened the YouTube channel and I had to go out there to read and research about optimization. And I use vidIQ. I use vidIQ for my video optimization, to put in the right keywords, to know the right headings to use, the right topics, sorry, the right titles to use and all that. So I use vidIQ and TubeBuddy, and it's really been helpful because they make your videos go out there. They make your videos, they push your videos for you, literally. That's what they do. Last one is growing your audience. This is the part that drives most people crazy, and I won't lie, I'm part of those most people, because it's not been easy growing my audience, and I'm like, what am I doing wrong? But it's learning in the process, and it's really eye-opening that why did I not do this before? Why? How? It just helps you discover. When you're using all these optimization tools and all that, you'll be able to tell, even on YouTube Studio tells you what your audience watches, the kind of videos that your audience are more interested in. So when you post different kinds of videos, YouTube Studio, when you go there to optimize, it shows you this is what your audience likes. Yeah, it gives you that information, and if you like, you create more that's still related to what your audience likes. So your audience might like different things, so you just have to pay attention and learn how to optimize your videos. I feel like, why am I posting? Nobody's watching, they're not subscribing and all that. It takes time. You have to learn to be patient. Growth takes time. So you do your work, you do your research, you put in your work out there, you give it your best shot, shoot quality videos, and don't worry, you grow your audience. If you optimize well and you do every single thing I have said here, you definitely grow the right audience. So thanks so much, guys, for listening. Okay, let's do a recap before we end the video. So number one is finding your niche. Number two is planning your content. Number three is opening your channel. What's number four? Number four is creating high quality videos. Number five, optimizing for discovery. And number six, which is the final one for today, is growing your audience. So I hope this video was useful. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please comment in the comment section. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see ya in my next video. If you like more videos like this, I'll be dropping a video up here. Just click on the link to watch something related to this. Thank you very much, and see ya in my next video. A bientôt. Au revoir.